I'm Joseph Ligido from BRBO9. Why are you most excited to try this laboratory? Forensic science has always captivated me, which is why I'm most eager to attempt this lab. It's exciting to have the chance to solve crimes using scientific concept. I'm excited to pick up a new skills and examine evidence using cutting edge. What skill do you expect to gain from this lab? Throughout this lab, I hope to acquire a number of vital skills. This include being of DNA analysis, fingerprint method, crime scene reconstruction, and gathering and serving evidence. How will this skill help you in career in criminology, journey and future career? A path in criminology and eventual profession will benefit highly from these abilities. I will be able to effectively evaluate evidence, participant criminal investigation, and offer expert testimony in court if I have forensic science roots, including as a forensic scientist, crime scene investigator, or consultant in the criminal justice system. I will become civil with these abilities. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat sa mga nainig sa vlog ko. At pagpalain sana kayo ng Panginoon. Shout out to BRBO9. Thank you very much.